Hi, my name is Anita Wu, and today we will take a closer look at AQL 1.5. When using disposable gloves, do you know what monitors its quality? AQL. AQL means Acceptable Quality Limit, and it is an important standard used in measuring the quality level of goods. It determines the highest number of defects accepted in a random selection of a product batch. For medical exam gloves, the AQL 1.5 represents the standard for measuring pinholes. Pinholes on gloves are tested using the watertight test. In this important test, gloves are filled with water, and any water leakage signifies a pinhole. A glove with a pinhole means that the glove barrier has been compromised and can no longer provide the required protection. And if you are in healthcare, dentistry, food industries, laboratories, armed forces, or veterinary practice, you and your patients or products could cross-contaminate and potentially be exposed to harmful pathogens or chemicals. AQL 1.5 is the highest internationally recognized standard for medical exam gloves set by the European standards, or commonly abbreviated as EN. But how stringent is this standard? Let me illustrate with an example using an AQL chart from the American National Standards Institute. In a single production run, let's assume that we produce a lot size of 500,001 pieces of gloves, and the inspection level of G1 has been predetermined. According to the chart, a lot size of 500,001 with the inspection level of G1 will correspond to sample size code letter N. And by referring to the corresponding chart of letter N, it's required to randomly select 500 pieces of gloves to test. With AQL 1.5, there are two numbers indicated. 14 indicates accept and 15 indicates reject. If 14 or fewer gloves were found to have pinholes, then the gloves have passed the test and have met AQL 1.5. However, if 15 or more gloves were found to have pinholes, the gloves have failed the inspection to meet AQL 1.5, and the entire lot of 500,001 pieces of gloves will be rejected. In conclusion, the next time you see the AQL 1.5 label on your glove box, you can be assured of its high quality to give you the protection you need.